Number 54, jumper, rebound ni Mujar. Nawala ang bola, same ball possession. Vera, Nandos, wala. Rebound na yan ni Jericho. Dio nakalusot. Pasok. 33-25 ang ating score. Mga madali si number 15, crossover. Kita si number 54, pasok yan. 35-25, 10 ang kalamangan. Garcia lumipad, pasok. 35-27 ang ating score. Ayan na si number De Castro, number 26. Romero, namuntikan na walang bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 54, jumper. Rebound ni Garcia, na walang bola. Bola ng Team Kelkel. Garcia, inbound in the ball to number 59 for the 3. 5 na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Kelkel. Layup ni De Castro. Sobra. Pinasa kay Robbie. Hesitates. Jumper. Short. Rebound ni number 15. Number 15. Crossing the midcourt. In the paint. Penetrates. Number 5. Jumper 26. Pasok yan at the baseline. For 2. 37-30 ang ating score. Garcia dribbling the ball, finds his teammate number 0 for the 3-perimeter shot on the baseline. 37-32 ang ating score. Ayan na si number 15. Crossing the midcourt, nagmamali, naghanap ng matasahan to Romero for the 3 points. Romero. Garcia, nakita si Robbie. Garcia, jumper, short. Rebound ni number 15 to number 15, crossing the midcourt. Penetrates, finds number Romero to Garcia to number 26, De Castro for the 3. Yes sir, nothing but net by number 23. Yan na si number 54, nice kila ng bola. Nakuha ni number 15. Pinomba, wala. Nakuha ulit niya. Number 15, and a foul. Ang ating score, 43-32. Lamang ang team Kelkel. Long shot ni number 29. Wala. Rebound ni number 15. Jumper, pasok. 45-32 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin, ha? 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Number 9 for the 3. Overshoots. Rebound ni Hezi. In the paint. Yes, sir. Between the legs and a score by number 26. 29. And si number 26. De Castro. Finds number 15. Looking for his teammates. Number 15 seal. 10 to shoot. 8, 7. Jumper. Number 54. Overshoots. Rebound ni Robbie. Oh, Mujar. It's over. Pinasa sa kalaban. Ako yun ni number 15. Number 15 to number 5. Losing the ball. Turnover. 3 minutes 13 in this third quarter. Si Idol, tapos. Ayan na si number 29 to Jericho. Puts it in. Ang ating score, 45-36. Lamang pa rin ang Team Kelkel. Jumper na number 15. Wala. Rebound na yan ni number 9. Steal ni number 15. Good yun. Hindi siya tumawag. Ang ating score, 47-36. Mira, wala. Nakuha yan number 26. Number 26. Number 5. Jumper. Pasok. Mid-range shot. 2 minutes. 42-30. 49-36. Yan. 49-38 ang ating score. Number 15. Number 15. Number 26, De Castro for the 3. Yes, sir. 52-38 ang ating score. 1 minute 38 seconds. Jar. Jar to number 9, Garcia. Penetrates. Finds number 0 on the baseline for 2. 52-40, 12 ang kalamangan ng Team Kelkel. 1 minute 18 in this third quarter. Number 15 to number 54 in the paint, bunker. Yes. 54-40 ang ating score. Tennessee Mojar to number 9. Garcia penetrates, finds number 0 again. Sunod. 52 seconds. Castro. And a foul. 14 to shoot. Number 15. Number 54 for the 3. Overshoots. Rebound ni Jericho. Long pass to AC. Nice nila ni number 15. Number 15. Crossover in the paint to number 54. Jumper. Mid-range shot. Rebound ni Jericho. Long pass ni Jericho to Dio. Dio penetrates. Wala. Rebound by number. Counted na, bola na nila. Counted nyo na yun. Sige. 54-44 ang score. 10 kalamangan ng Team Kelkel. 9 seconds. 54-44. 9 seconds. 9 seconds na lang tayo in this third. Kumi na oras. 9 seconds. Tumira ng 3 si De Castro. Wala. Rebound ni Jericho. Long pass ni Jericho to Dio. 1 second. Counted. Counted yan. Ang ating score, 54-46. Tapos na, tapos na. Time over na. Pahinga kayo, pahinga.